What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at the conqueror, the Tesla stock. Guys, this thing has done it despite all the odds. This thing has done it. In this video I'll take you over the price action, earnings data, the granular details out of earnings, and some few bits and pieces out of the earnings calls as well. I'll also take you over the options data, how it's looking like, and what I said yesterday. If you have checked this video of mine, Tesla options, this one, watch before earnings, surprising data, and that surprising data is going to surprise you more today, guys. So we'll talk about all this stuff in this video. Guys, this thing is back to $162.40 precisely. We have a lot to talk about because this thing is breaking some structures. The way we talked about, as if it happens, $200 is back in the pocket, guys, for this Friday. Let's talk about the possibilities, what I'm looking at in the price action, and let's get things rolling. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. I'm just sharing my opinion here. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'm on the hourly interval right now because TradingView on the daily interval doesn't show the candles for the pre and the post market. Guys, I just can't get my eyes away from this. Look at the 12.18% up in the post market Tesla. $17 up, almost just shy of $18. Tesla did it all by not even beating the earnings estimate. Tesla fell short of estimates on both the EPS and the revenue, all negative. All right, and Tesla is going to the other side. Guys, as I said, if you have seen this video of mine yesterday, the surprising data of the options watch before earnings, things will get some more clarity here. So let's go back to first the options, because this is very important, thesis or speculation that I was talking about. And this is the gray one is the yesterday's closing price. The black is almost the today's post market price. And then the reds are the puts, the bright reds are the current today's puts, bright green are the today's calls options, and dark red is the yesterday's puts, and dark green is the yesterday calls. Okay, so what did I say yesterday when we were going through this data of the options? I was like, guys, there's this brick wall of puts sitting at $150, and I don't see much density on the put sides down below. Yes, I'm seeing these red come in today at higher quantity than yesterday, but I was like, guys, it's very strange that there's just this big brick wall sitting, not much puts. We should be, if earnings were gonna be bad and everything, which they are, but why is Wall Street not betting to the downside more puts? Why am I seeing these calls still sitting in the density of 175, 180, 160? Why so? And I was like, guys, this is very surprising. In the video yesterday, I did that, right? And I said that, guys, does it mean that regardless, is Wall Street preparing to buy Tesla after the earnings in the post market, because they will not need much volume in the post market to move this price? And as we get above $160, this structure will confirm or will look great for the calls which are sitting at 165, 175, even 200 calls. And guys, this thing, like you can see, Tesla didn't even beat on the earnings. It fell, fell short of the estimates brutally, and the price still went up, right? I'm not saying that options tell you everything, that, oh, options are telling this, so that's how the price is gonna do. No, but that's something in the equation that I was speculating. Now, like, guys, this just doesn't look right. Like, it seems like this brick wall that's all what the analysts wanted, because remember, analysts wanted to push stock down. They came with Reuters false news of Model 2 failure, and a lot of analysts were trying to downgrade, push it lower and lower. And that could be because of this 150 puts that were sitting quite high up there, and they wanted to make money on that. And then just after earnings, pushing the price back up, because for this week expiration, there was just so high calls density sitting high up here at 160 and plus, 155 and plus, I should say, or 150 plus as well, I should say, the calls. Guys, again, this is just an options data. I'm not saying that price is moving based off of that, but it's just telling you the sentiment of where the money is being put out there, right? Where's the money being thrown or betted on by the traders, and the density or something. This just could be just the Wall Street is just doing their thing. But anyways, because guys, look, in the post market, when a price moves like this, these are big hedge funds loading up, okay? And as I said, earnings didn't even meet, right, the expectations, fell short of expectations, and price still went up, right? This is, again, like, guys, this is amazing though for me. I mean, I love it, I love it, I love it. Because I wanted to see Tesla go up, right? And because long term, I am, bullish on it, and, I want to see this thing go back up. So, as I say, before earnings and after earnings, technicals are completely different. So now we will be taking a look at how structures have changed on Tesla and how things would look like. But before going further, well, guys, I'm sorry if I didn't let you know, but I think I did let you know that none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, okay? You are solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes. Okay, so what I want to do is first, let's just go high level on this Tesla report, right? And you will be like, junior trader, this doesn't, like, earnings, everything is cracking and price is going up. All right, guys, I showed you a lot of things already that, yeah. So, okay. What we have is for the quarter ended March 2024, Tesla reported revenue of 21.3 billion, down 8.7% over the same period last year. EPS came in at 0.45 compared to 0.85 in the year ago quarter. The reported revenue represents a surprise of negative 3.83%. And again, it's negative. Okay. Let's go over here. Total vehicles deliveries are also lower than the estimated. They are 386,810 versus 417,863. Other model deliveries, you will see low everywhere down, right? So, again, this is just the data, guys. You can go through these numbers, at this point, it doesn't matter. Price has made its move, right? But this is what the numbers came out, and Tesla is, just didn't beat on any expectations, but price action is looking great, guys. So, but anyways, now I want to go over mostly what came out of guidance call, right? Very simple, I'm going to put it. Like, it's all about they are, changing the organization. Elon Musk was speaking about that quite a lot. And he was talking about how it's important for organization to be, becoming bigger and better. Don't get confused. It's just Apple showing up here, or it's not Tesla on the right side. But anyways, let's talk about here. So most focus he put on is the sort of robotaxi and moving forward autonomous, and a lot more details about it, like how things works and all of that. So Elon Musk underscores Tesla's self-driving push, hints at cybercab. He says like it will be something just like Airbnb, like Tesla will have its own fleet as well, but allow users to deploy their vehicles as well for the service. More like a cybercab. Musk shared a possible name for the Robotaxi, which is set to be unveiled in August. In an offhand remark, he referred to the model as cybercab. All right, so that's the same thing, guys, Robotaxi. And he says, guys, don't you worry, I'm at Tesla. Elon Musk says Tesla makes the majority of his work time. He doesn't even take Sundays off, okay? And then the ride hailing, app, Tesla planning that. So he went in, some detail of that, how they're adding to their software and hardware and all of that. Mostly it was focused on Robotaxi. There were, there are a lot of speculations around. Well, when I say speculations around, like I know all the investors, big hedge funds are not in the same boat. That Robotaxi will come to fruition. Who knows? Many of them may have their short position, and now they're cooked, guys. They're cooked. Tesla cooked all the shorts again. All right, so guys, that's pretty much were the highlights of the earnings. Nothing much, but let's go to the technicals now. So let's start off first with, okay, I want to show you my bots as well. So let's go to the 5 minutes. Let's see my bot, and I want to show you my swing bot as well. So let's go to the 5 minutes. So we got a good profitable move today as well. Tesla even making us money on the day trading bot, even on when it's downtrending. So like all in all, it's downtrending, but we are still making money on day trading bot, looking great. And importantly, on the swing bot, we have a position as well now. open on the swing side, so which came after quite some time now, after a lot of days. So on the long side, so this is great, and we are already in profit. Look at the left hand side, it's the data, but things are looking great on the swing and on the day trading side on both sides. And if you need access to my tools, I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots. Links to my tools are in the description below of this video. Okay, now I want to go back. Okay, let's turn this thing off. Let's clean up the chart. Swing bot, day trading bot, let's switch them off. Okay guys, let's go to the daily interval, and what I want to show you is a few things. So these are the 2 red boxes. I was saying this is where Tesla needs to start changing the structure, and this is the big structure, $160 to 163.75. Once we get out of it, Tesla is easy peasy $200 again. That's the range it will be in. Tesla has changed the structure already, guys. Now, I know TradingView doesn't show it in the post or pre-market, the candles as how the price has moved. So I'm going to draw it out for you guys. 162.75 is almost here, okay? And let's turn this thing, oops, sorry guys. Let's turn this thing green, and let's increase the opacity of it. All right, so guys, you are seeing a candle like this right now today. Okay, this is a sort of candle you are seeing. Just picture it. Okay, this is where the price is right now on Tesla. So you can already see that we are about to break that downward structure, at least on the swing side. Like swing bot has already given the position I showed you, but we are on the bigger level as well, like really setting up great. If Tesla can close tomorrow above 163.80, it's unstoppable, guys. This thing is changing direction then, at least for next couple of weeks, in my opinion. We don't want to crack below tomorrow. We don't want to close below this range of 160. Tomorrow it's very important for Tesla to go up and close above, at least, even if it's a choppy, we want it to close above $163 range and also above 20 days moving average. That will be awesome, guys. But Tesla is almost about to get out of this structural resistance, and it's going to change the structure, guys. Let's go to the weekly interval. I want to show you how this candle even looks like on the weekly interval now. So let's expand it out. Oops, sorry guys. Oh, no. What's going on? Oh, okay, I clicked some button, guys. I clicked some buttons. I'm getting super excited. So this is the weekly candle as well you are looking at, guys. Now imagine if this week we can close above this structural resistance like this, even if we can get about to 179. Look at it. Looking great. Yes, we are still that downward channel, but that's fine. I mean, we are starting the change of structure then already on the weekly as well. That's going to be awesome. So guys, you get my point, right? Now let's go to the hourly interval. So yes, guys, after earnings, I definitely like to see one more day, but I'm getting impatient a little bit because, you know, this thing is already at 162.92, guys, unstoppable in the post market as well, right? It's already cracking through this to the upside of this structure, of this resistance structure, right? So this is all awesome. Now let's go to the hourly interval. And guys, I mean, this thing has also gotten above the 200 hours moving average on the hourly interval, right? So just a second, let my stuff load. Sometimes when I do the videos, the indicator just my computer is slow, guys, sorry. Yeah, so guys, we are almost out of these resistance zones, guys. This was the resistance, right? This is awesome. Look at this beautiful candle. Loving it, guys. I'm loving it. Structure is changing back to the upside. Now, as I said, tomorrow if we can close above 200 hours moving average, however we do it tomorrow, if we close above 200 hours moving average, guys, this is going to be awesome. Guys, this is going to be awesome. And you know, once Tesla picks the direction, guys, this picks the direction. We are still bullish on Tesla, even if we do a pullback to 155, but we stay above it, we are still bullish. This is becoming an uptrend and loving it, guys. So tomorrow, awesome. I mean, when I say awesome, guys, this thing, if we can establish tomorrow as well, up above 200 hours moving average, and importantly, as I said, get above 163 and 86 cents, and also can get above this 20 days moving average, close above it. I'm just getting a little bit greedy now. If we can get above 50 days moving average, close above that as well, that will be awesome. But if by the end of this week we even clear above $180, guys, it's gonna break through this channel next week up to the upside, because that's a complete sentiment shift on Tesla, guys. But it's very important for us to close above this 164 and $163 range tomorrow. It's very important because this is the structural change area that we want to get out of. Okay, it's 163 already in the post market, guys. This is awesome. We have 6 minutes till the post market is about to close. And guys, this thing is unstoppable. Look at this thing. It's just going up and up and up. Shorts are cooked. Shorts are cooked, guys. Bulls are in the money. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Alright guys, well, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. I have done a lot of videos on my channel. Check those videos out. Just a quick glimpse. Check out NVIDIA Stock QQ, SPY, Riot, SMC, Amara. Riot and Amara are just exploding to the upside, guys. I have talked about these plays over the weekend, and now these plays are coming in fruition. Check these videos out. A lot of videos on my channel. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Alright, take care, guys. Bye.